Here's my new LG set. The dryer works perfect. The washer, I'm not sure what's wrong with it. As you can hear, it's making these scraping noises. They're going to replace this machine. This is the second WT7800CW that I have. I'm not really sure what's going on and why it's like this. Again, the dryer works great. I've got the steam function on it, so it's actually using steam to freshen up the clothes. But as far as this washer is concerned, I'm not really sure what to think. You'll hopefully be able to hear what I am talking about in about a few seconds. It says that it's getting ready to wash, so it's spinning it around now. I think the spin is to check out the load, make sure it's balanced. It says it's still washing, as you can see. Alright, it finished spinning. I'm thinking the water will probably... Well, actually there is water already in there, so let's see what happens. It's just sitting there. If nothing happens in the next few seconds, I'll go ahead and stop this video. Or I can pause it. Let me go ahead and pause it, I'll be right back. Oh. Let me pause it, I'll be right back. Alright, here we are. And that's the noise that my new LG WT7800CW machine is making. That is not normal. I'm going to back out so you can hear it, how loud it is. I'm going to close the door. You can still hear it. Alright, any comments below? Let me know if you have a brand new LG direct drive machine with this turbo 3D wash. See if yours is making this kind of noise. This is the second machine we've had delivered to us, and it's still making that noise. We have a third machine coming, and I can tell you right now, LG, if the third machine makes this noise, you've just lost a customer. Comments below. Maybe someone else is experiencing this. If you are, you're not the only one.